Wahala for who dey live life to prove love. My people, make una no misquote me. Love na beautiful and sweet thing. Even me dey enjoy am. But the moment love turn laboratory practical, wahala go wear coat and cap. I no understand why some people believe say love must pass exam every week. Prove that you love me. Show me you care. If you love me, you go. Since when love become science subject? You go see person dey hustle from morning till night, not because house rent don expire, but because somebody wan see evidence of love. Today na iPhone, tomorrow na surprise trip, next week na post me or you are hiding me. At the end, your bank account go look like fasting and prayer ministry. Make we reason am small. From the beginning of beginning, na proof love start the problem. Adam just dey enjoy garden life gently. Next thing, fruit enter conversation. History change, hustle begin. Some men dey carry loan just to prove say dem dey serious. Some women dey overextend themselves just to prove say dem dey supportive. Both sides dey compete in who love pass. Meanwhile, true love no be competition. No be chemistry practical. No be public performance. If love need constant proof like evidence in court case, maybe na insecurity wear perfume. Love suppose be peace, not pressure. Partnership, not audition. Reduce stress, not increase debit alert. If you dey live every day trying to impress somebody so that dem no go question your affection, check am well. The true talk be say, when proving never finish, peace don already pack go village. My brother man and sister woman, make we love with sense. No turn your destiny into continuous assessment. I salute una. Ado.